Guys, talking about the older worker in construction. The one of the engineers on my other channel commented about the being older and able to get jobs. That he's heard of that, and so I did a little research real quick, and sure enough, there's a current article that's current enough that talks about this. I'll give you a link, perhaps, but here we are. Older workers, those ages 55 and up, are often seen as top assets in contractors' labor pool. They're experienced and reliable, natural job site leaders, both by title and example. They really are. Older workers are the one of the best workers you can have. Their experience is tapped up inside these heads as laborers, as experienced journeymen, as whatever they're doing. They've got a lot of knowledge, over the years, hard knocks, etc. Okay. Older workers are probably the safer workers because that's how they lasted so long, says Mark Hansen, a risk consultant with Contact Solutions LLC. They do things a certain way because they've seen all the ways to do things. They know that what works, what's safest, and what's most efficient. That is the size of it. Workers aged 45 to 64 make up nearly 40% of the construction workforce in 2015. Okay. So I'm going to give you this article, but older workers are a gem. Younger workers, they don't show up, they complain, you got to hear their life story on a daily basis. They talk about going out to bars and drinking, and they're just distracted all day long with everything but the job at hand. However, the decline was slower among older workers. So they're just distracted. What's we have? Workplace Safety Authority about heightening awareness, planning for specific jobs and key. So it's kind of cool. I'm going to give you the link, but older workers are some good resources, and not necessarily all older workers, but most of them are. Craft Ambassador, okay. Well, that's kind of cool. Well, these guys, they seem pretty, no offense to the article a little bit, but still pretty washed up if they got to do all this, these other things, crafts ambassador, etc. Continually remind your workers that if they need help, to ask for it, he says, and that's the message that applies to everyone. They're saying you can use the older workers, use the younger guys to support the older workers, which happens frequently anyway. Just wanted to share that with you, and I'm going to share the link with the other guy over there and see where it goes. This is how companies are adapting to the needs of an aging workforce. You guys can Google it, and you'll pull it up on the ENR. Take care.